Good morning, chickadees and chickadoes. This is part two of that really long TikTok video from part one. All right, so we're continuing working with our preface. This is going to be the first document of your portfolio, and we already built the other documents that hold just the text in itself, not just the poem, that's the short story, just the excerpts, stuff like that. So right now we're building the preface, and this is the last thing we truly have to build. So this one's going to be a little bit more involved because we have to go through all of our assignments. So we are looking back in our folder because, again, for me, it's just better to organize it that way. So I have my preface, and I'm like, okay, now I need to go get my 2 paragraphs I wrote about for piece one, which is what we did on October 23rd, where I said, okay, just focus in on that, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna pause. Alrighty, I am back. All right, where were we? That's right, preface page, and I'm going to my October 23rd assignment where I did my 2 paragraphs about my first piece. So I'm going to grab that, copy, which is again Control C, going back to my preface page, and this is going to be my 3rd paragraph. Going back to that assignment from Friday, I believe. Get the 2nd paragraph. Now in my preface, it's going to be my 4th paragraph. And then I'm just going to continue this process with my 2nd, my 3rd, and my 4th piece. So here's my 2nd. We're on that assignment, I think that Monday, I believe. Had you copy paste the piece, and then you had to write your 2 paragraphs. So I'm just going to copy it all. Come back to my preface page. This is going to be paragraphs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 now. Just going to take out what I don't need. Come back down here. Now I'm going to go to my 3rd piece. That was on the 27th. Get those 2 paragraphs. Copy. And I'll just add the S in the period. S period, there we go, enter. Get rid of the instructions. It messes up the flow of my paragraphs. Now I'm gonna go to piece 4, which was on the 28th. This is my 4th and final piece, my last 2 paragraphs for my portfolio, and I'm gonna pause and I'll be right back.